Incredible India. India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. It is the seventh largest country by area and second most populous country in the world. India is also the largest democracy in the world. Now let's see what do the colors of the Indian national flag represent. Saffron color indicates strength and courage. White indicates peace. The Ashok Chakra is a depiction of the Dharma Chakra, which represents truth. The green color shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the national capital of India. The magnificent tiger with its thick yellow coat and dark stripes is the national animal of India. The beautiful Indian peacock is the national bird of India. The Ganges river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. And the lotus is the national flower of India. The Hindi version of the song Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. This song was composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. The state emblem of India is the national emblem of India. The emblem is an adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka, a statue from 280 BCE. In Buddhism, the 24 spokes of the Dharma Chakra represent the 12 causal links in forward and then reverse order. The 24 spokes are also said to represent the 24 rishis of the Himalayas as well as the 24 hours of the day, thereby symbolizing the movement of time. The northern frontiers of India are defined largely by the Himalayan mountain range, while on the south, India projects into and is bounded by the Arabian Sea on the west, the Lakshadweep Sea to the southwest, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and the Indian Ocean proper to the south. India has 22 scheduled languages and several different dialects. Although the Indian Constitution hasn't given any language the status of national language, Hindi in the Devanagari script and English are considered to be the official languages of India. Indian cuisine consists of a variety of regional and traditional cuisines native to the Indian subcontinent. As you can see here, some examples would be jalebi, chole, puri, gulab jamun and halwa. India is a land of diversity, and over 50 different festivals are celebrated in India by the people of different cultures and religion. Here are some Indian women in traditional attire. India is a land of culture, and as per the Sangeet Natya Academy, there are 8 traditional Indian classical dances. Some examples would be Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Kuchipudi. The Indian rupee is the official currency of India. Its symbol looks like the symbol that's shown here on the screen, and its code is INR. So now you know so much more about this beautiful country. I hope you join us on our other fun adventures as well by checking out the videos on our channel. Links are available in the description box below. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.